Hi, today I'm going to show you how to fully customize your YT08 extrusion. What you're going to need is your YT08 extrusion, your lens that you're going to be using for the YT08 extrusion, whether it be the YT99 SL or CL, your YT08 RS recessing spring, one screwdriver, and your tape light. First, what you're going to do is you're going to take your tape light and you're going to install it onto your YT08 extrusion. Be sure to put the tape light right in the center of the extrusion. So you're going to take out the 3M from the back, and then you're going to install it. Again, be sure to have it centered into the extrusion. Once you have it into your extrusion, go back again to make sure that the tape is fully secured into your extrusion. Once you have done so, you can now install your YT99 SL lens. You're going to first want to put the back in first. Once you have done so, snap the front in. You're going to do that to the whole extrusion, like so. Now you are ready to install the recessing spring. When installing the recessing spring, be sure to unscrew the nut into the very last thread. Once you have done so, all you're going to do is take the extrusion and fit the nuts through the extrusion. You can then adjust it to whichever length you would like the recessing spring to go to. Once you have found the spot that you would like the recessing spring in, you can now tighten this screw. Move it around to make sure that it is secured, and you are set to go. You gotta make sure that's on the right side. There you go. Okay, there you have it. YT08 fully customized extrusion.